Hello, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching how to rename your username in your TikTok account. If you want to rename your TikTok username, after logging into your mobile app, you click on Edit Profile. So once you click on Edit Profile, you see the first one is your name, the second one is your username. So you click on the second one. Then you erase the existing one and you write whatever you want to fill in there. As you can see, this has been used, so you add something to it. So I'll be going with select view info. Then after renaming it, I'll click on save. Then you see a notification to set your username. You can change it only after 30 days. So I'll click on set username. So I've succeeded in changing my username on TikTok. Remember to subscribe, like, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you.